Welcome to Math Globe, Karnataka Board, Class 10, Constructions, Exercise 6.2, Question 4. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. Steps of construction. First step, draw a circle with a center O and radius 5 cm. Step 2, take a point A on the circle, join AO. AO is the radius. Step 3. Draw radius OC such that angle AOC is 120 degree. For that, take a center at O. With the radius less than half of line segment OA, cut an arc. And with the same radius, cut the initially cut arc to form 60 degree. With the same radius, cut the initially cut arc to form 120 degree. Join O and C. Step 4. At A, draw AN perpendicular to ON. For that, take the center as A with less than half of radius, cut an arc. Without changing this radius length, cut the initially cut arc to form 60 degree. Keeping 60 degree as the center, cut the initially cut arc to form 120 degree. Now keeping the 60 degree as the center, cut the arc above. And taking 120 degree as the center, cut an initially cut arc above. So point is obtained. A point is obtained. Join the point and A and extend so that you get the line segment A and N. You get the line segment A and N. So the point there is A and A is touching the point and extended to form a line AN. AO is the radius there. AN is the extended line. Step 5. Now take the center at C. With less than length of the radius, with less than half of the radius of OC, cut an arc. You can see the semicircle kind of thing. And without changing the arc length, without changing the radius of the compass, cut the initially cut arc. So now, without changing the radius length, cut the initially cut arc. So angle 60 degree is obtained. Now keeping the center at 60 degree, without changing the radius of the compass, cut the initially cut arc. 120 degree is obtained. Keeping the 60 degree as the center, cut the arc above. Now keeping the center as 120 degree, cut the arc initially cut arc. A point is obtained. Join C and the point and extend the line segment to get C and M. So C and M is obtained, which is perpendicular to C and O. CO. Step 6. The two perpendiculars would intersect each other at P. Therefore, PA and PC are the required tangents. Justification. Since OA is the radius and PA is perpendicular to OA, therefore PA has to be the tangent. Similarly, PC is a tangent to the circle also. So in quadrilateral PAOC, we know that sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle P plus angle C plus angle O is equal to 360 degree. By substituting the values of the angles there, angle A is 90 degree because PA is perpendicular to OA there and PC is perpendicular to CO plus, so angle A is 90 degree plus angle P we don't know, so angle P plus angle C is also 90 degree because PC is perpendicular to OC and plus angle O we constructed 120 degree there, so is equal to 360 degree. To find out the value of P, angle P is equal to 360 degree minus 300, because 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 120 degree gives you 300. So 360 minus 300. So therefore angle P is equal to 60 degree. Keeping the protractor at P, you can measure exactly 60 degrees formed at the angle P. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching until last.